बट उनकी सेकंड मैरिज की लाइफ बहुत सारी सेलिब्रिटीज का हम देखे, क्योंकि मैं मिलता भी हूँ, मुंबई जाता हूँ तो मिलता हूँ, मैं थोड़ा बहुत इन्वॉल्व भी हूँ, और हमारे जीवन के ऊपर बायोपिक भी बनी है रिजवान, बहुत लोगों को पता है। तो सेलिब्रिटीज के साथ मेरा थोड़ा है कनेक्शन, तो हम देखते दे आर सो हैप्पी इन सेकंड मैरिज।
Yeah.
तो सही है, फर्स्ट मैरिज नहीं चला, जो भी रीज़न है, आज के टाइम के अंदर पॉसिबिलिटी ज़्यादा है नहीं चलने की, सो के होता है, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप स्टॉप कर दो।
Yeah.
आप अपना क्या बोलते, स्टेप बैक करके बाउंस बैक करिए, ताकि आपकी लाइफ अगेन एक पटरी पे आ जाए। जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था बिजनेस फेलियर से वापस आप खड़े होके वापस सफल हो सकते हो, सेम थिंग हमारी जो फैमिली लाइफ है वो भी अच्छी है और आगे जा सकती है। और आज के टाइम के अंदर सिंगल रहना भी एक बड़ी चैलेंज है।
Yeah, so I think the key takeaways over here are that second chances in love bring happiness, stability, and emotional support. Correct? And real life stories show us that remarriage later in life can be fulfilling as well as inspiring. I mean, love is about the right person, isn't it? Whether it's the first marriage or whether it's the second marriage.
और थर्ड, इट इज
It doesn't matter.
doesn't
Yes.
matter, yes.
But it's all about the right person, the
Right.
right time, and just social norms.
एक्चुअली
Correct?
पर्सन ऑलवेज इज राइट, अपने को देखना है
Yes.
कि उसमें से जो राइट क्या लेना है।
So that's so right.
सिचुएशन
Situation-
खराब कर देती है.
Absolutely. So it's actually up to us to keep our hearts open and let the mind also be open and allow the mind to, the space for the possibilities of relationships.
Yes, yes.
Even I want to add on one more thing when Rizwan ji said about the story. मेरे मॉम डैड ने रिसेंटली शादी कराई है मेरे ही रिलेटिव्स की. आई डोंट वांट टू यूज देयर नेम्स.
Yeah.
So my mama family, my dada family. So मम्मा फैमिली वाली जो बंदा था वो एक एज की वजह से उन्होंने शादी इसलिए नहीं की बिकॉज मॉम की मॉम का टेक केयर करना है अपनी मॉम के लिए. एंड गर्ल वॉज डाइवोर्सी अनदर साइड माई डैड्स फैमिली. सो माई मॉम एंड डैड टुक दिस इनिशिएटिव.
How lovely to bring them together. Yeah.
लिटरली अब वो दोनों खुश हैं तो सब लोग अच्छा अच्छा बोल रहे हैं. बट वेन दे वर ट्राइंग टू डू दिस सब लोग उनके बारे में गलत बोल रहे थे. आप इतने
because-
खाली हो, आपकी खुद की 3 बेटियां हैं, आप अपना देखो, नहीं करो.
Because generally society इतनी
Accept
judgmental
नहीं
है.
करती है वो, accept नहीं
Judgmental
करती है,
है वो.
right.
Accept करना तो side में रखो. They are judgmental. They don't understand कि किसी की needs आपसे अलग हो सकती है और आप कोई नहीं होते उसमें बोलने के लिए. So I think bringing this awareness is very important for those people. Yeah.
So they did, and definitely they both are very happy, and we all feel very proud on my mom dad कि उन्होंने ये initiative लिया और उन्होंने end तक इसको किया कि otherwise लोग क्या करते हैं कि okay सुनना शुरू हो गया तो okay back वापस आ जाते हैं, सोचते हैं कि नहीं करेंगे, but they did this.
Yeah, amazing. Fareed, I have a question to ask you. People from South Asia who move to the West often experience a culture shift, right? So, how does this impact their perspective on relationships as well as second marriages?
People from South Asia, I think it depends on, at the end of the day, again, the kind of community and family background they are brought up, right? If the family has raised them being very upright, liberal, whether he's a man or a woman, doesn't matter. But let's say if he's born and brought up in a rural kind of upliftment, or sometimes, metro cities people come, but they've been in a very conservative culture where they were not allowed to take decisions from the very beginning. They find it difficult. So despite of the culture influence, because this is a bigger decision, and sometimes what happens is they are kind of who will take the regret of second time failure, right? Because sometimes if God forbid the first time the failure in marriage happen,
So, you're saying that it does impact their perspectives on second marriages, right?
yes, the fear of unknown and the fear of failure are also two things that stops you, whether it's the business or the marriage. But you cannot get the result until you try or take the action, right? That's the anomaly. So you have to actually move forward with all your honest judgment, sitting together, discussing, both the people each other's shoe, and then maybe you have to then leave it to God, that hopefully He will put blessings on it. But taking no action is the situation of complete risk. So doing something is better than doing nothing and sitting idle.
I think you've given yourself a chance then more than anything else, correct? You don't have to feel that.
वो कहते हैं ना, एक पुरानी कहावत है ना, वो फिल्म में कहते हैं ना कि वो इट्स लाइक अ लड्डू, लोग कहते हैं कि वो आपने नहीं खाया तो यू विल रिग्रेट कि क्यों नहीं खाया, एंड खा लिया तो ये हुआ कि चलो ट्राई तो किया था ना, यू अटेम्प्टेड द अपॉर्चुनिटी, राइट?
Yes. Sonakshi, you have anything to say
Yeah,
about
even
this?
I would say Bollywood में आप देखोगे संजय दत्त,
Yes.
सैफ अली खान, सबने सेकंड वेडिंग की है, राइट? एंड दे आर वेरी हैप्पी, एंड व्हाई नॉट? जैसे रिजवान जी ने बोला, हैप्पीनेस इज सुपर इम्पोर्टेंट. एज तो देखी जाएगा, इट्स अ नंबर, बेसिकली सब लोग बोलते हैं इट्स अ नंबर. सो इफ यू डेफिनेटली, आई मीन सेलिब्रिटीज कर सकते हैं, व्हाई नॉट अस? If you are happy, I mean, I'm happy. I don't.
So if you're in, I believe that if you're in a marriage at the moment, and you have to work at making it, I mean, sort of work on it on a daily basis to make it work, because that would happen in a second marriage too. So it's not like second marriage में immediately पूरा सब सही मिल गया, right? So any marriage, any relationship, you have to work on the relationship.
एडजस्टमेंट इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
Absolutely,
आप कोई
yeah.
ऑफिस भी ज्वाइन करोगे, ऑफ कोर्स पहले आपको कलीग अडॉप्ट नहीं करेंगे ना. यू
Correct.
हैव टू गिव मोर एनर्जी एंड मोर पावर टू दैट, आई मीन स्पेस. Then only people start adopting, and they adopt your nature as well.
Absolutely, yes. So, Fareed, while maintaining our cultural values is important, do you think we sometimes hold on to traditions that may be limiting us? How can we find this balance?
Self counseling, I think a lot of positive mental suggestions you have to give. Same as you choose your career, you don't know what the life will bring you, but at the end you are the one who are at the mercy of whether it works out positive or negative, right? So you have to build up confidence, whether you're lucky if your people around you supports you, but if not, I think the first fight is the fight with yourself. So positive mental suggestions will help, I think, here.
How do you see personal happiness over societal pressure? Do you think that is more important, or succumbing to societal pressure is more important? And how can that be decreased?
See, personal happiness, if you're happy, you became a magnet. People will come to you. And if you weep alone, right? So you don't need to weep.
Right. And then tell me, what is the role of parents when they see their daughter in a stress situation? What should not be done and what should be done?
Very strong. I think one has to become selfish at that time and think in a way of, like Rizwan Bhai said and Sonakshi also said, that parents will go one time, but the kids will stay. And I think at the end, most of the times, especially after the seniors, I deal with a lot of seniors, and I've seen, especially with so much happening in the health issues, the mental health issues, especially after COVID, this is a big buzz now. If you have a good companion who understands you, your last days are good. So it's better to be in that lane.